sa inyo po, Mayor, credible pa rin naman yung investigation ng ICI.
O naman. Ako, naniniwala pa rin ako.
Mayor,
Magiging maayos pa rin yan. Nandiyan naman sila, Secretary Babes, Secretary, si Chairman Reyes, si Ma'am Rosie. Ito pala din niya si Chelo Asuril. Tingin ko, basta tuloy-tuloy lang yung investigasyon. Huwag lang i-re-rain. Magiging credit.
Mayor, will you say independent pa rin po yung investigasyon ng komite? Like, wala pong pressures from any
Outside force.
Nung nandun naman kami, wala namang pressure. So, nakapagtataka lang bakit bigla ayaw kong mag-imbestiga. Na may na sinabi, you're not an investigator, you're just a legal advisor. Ay lang. O ibig sabihin, simple lang yun. Ayaw, wag ka na mag-imbestiga. Yun ang message dun. And you don't have any authority over the by department, may MOU.
So, dahil...
Simple lang yung message na yun Huwag ka na mag-imbestiga. O anong pang-purpose ko? Bakit ako nandun? Hindi dapat mag-resign na lang ako.
Sir, can you think of any specific something na na-discover nyo right before?
I have my suspicion. Pero I won't share it with you. I'm sorry.
Pero sir, you will share it with the appropriate body when the time comes.